Hi everyone, my name is Richard. Today is the 5th of January 2024 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for this week, the expiry ending on the 10th. Max Y level for CE and PE have decreased, that's negative. Quantity is high for PE, that's negative. Change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is extremely high and still lower than last week as well, that's negative. Implied volatility and historical volatility are both higher, that's two negatives. Your RSI is lower, that's negative. There is a divergence, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower and pivot point is lower as well, that's two negatives, and the candlestick is neutral. The support this week is 5,900. The previous week's support is 6,000 based on the option chain. And the resistance this week is 5,950, and the previous week's resistance is 6,000. And the overall prediction from the option chain is that the S&P 500 goes down. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.